only. Judges your scores. St. Laurent.
St. Laurent, of course. Come on,
They want to get into the frame. Kiesels to the core. St. Laurent.
Tell us something. They're not, what, 100 years or something?
No, 2003 only.
Your scores?
Are they 2003?
I don't know.
I'm asking y'all. Jack, I'm asking.
10.
Jack.
Anjanae. Got so much sooner.
Jack.
They just don't say a word. Give me one. Scores. What are you wearing? What are you wearing? Your eyewear by Eyewear. Shoes. Cavalli. Work. Scores. Come on, show and tell. Show and tell, let's go. Hey, Al.
Work the line.
John. 10, Al. It's a chop, thank you. Anyone else, let's go. DJ a beat. 2003, put it on. Is it over? Is it absolutely good God? Bring it, down. Absolutely. Stand to the side, right here. Let's go. Absolutely sickening over. Absolutely sickening over. Absolutely sickening over. Harold. Stand to the side, let's go. I'm talking about 6 clear. Absolutely sickening over. 6 clear. Absolutely sickening over. Absolutely. Who else was by? Absolutely sickening over. Are you using? DJ, cut the music. You are now in question. Stand. Stand to the side. DJ the beat. Stand to the side. Absolutely sickening over. Absolutely sickening over. Absolutely sickening over. Absolutely sickening Please sickening over. Give me one. JR.
Eat it, Taz, bitch!
Put in eyewear.
Malik.
Stuart, give me one. Give me one, Harold. Turn around, face them. Shoot. 1, 2. Absolutely sickening over.
Eat it, Kenny, bitch!
2-1. Anjanae. 2-2. 3-2, 4-2. You stay. Thank you. What about this one? Work, judges, you back up. Which one? 1, Allure. 2, Allure. 3, Allure. 4, Allure. Grand prize, Allure. Give the other two a round of applause.